Will the property market crash in 2023? Oh, it's really taking its time to think about this one. Property can be a safe and profitable investment strategy. I'm liking that. I mean, my number one tip would be get educated to know what you're doing, but it is saying get professional advice. So here's some reasons why you should get educated in property. My mentor once told me the quality of your life is determined by the quality of the questions you ask. Overall, getting educated in property is crucial for anyone investing in property. Well done, Chatgpt. We like that answer. So welcome to Property Investing with Abi. On today's episode, we are going to be asking artificial intelligence some property questions. So we are on Chatgpt. This is the best one. People are loving this one. So we're going to ask it a few questions. So question number one, we're going to ask it, will the property market crash in 2023? Let's have a look at what it says. It's thinking. As an AI language model, I do not have the ability to predict future with certainty. The property market is affected by many factors, such as economic conditions, government policies, market demand, which can be unpredictable, subject to change. While some experts may provide predictions based on current trends and data, it's important to remember that such predictions are not guarantees and the future may unfold differently. AI is refusing to give us a definitive answer on whether it's going to crash or not. Now, I did a YouTube video about this the other week, so go and click back and have a look at that. On to the next question. How safe is investing in property? Let's see what it says. Ooh, investing in property can be a relatively safe and stable long-term investment strategy. But like any investment, it comes with risks that should be carefully considered. Here's a few. Market condition. Property prices can fluctuate. Location. Property type. Understanding the different risks with different types. Financing. Leveraging debt to purchase property can increase returns. That's interesting. It understands that. But it's saying it also increases the risk of default if the property does not perform as expected. That won't happen. You won't default if you get your numbers right. Managing a property can come with its own set of risks. Who wants to manage their own property? Surely that's what agents are for. But overall, it's saying property can be a safe and profitable investment strategy. Agreed. Thank you, Chatgpt. What property strategies are most profitable? Oh, it's really taking its time to think about this one. The most profitable property investment strategies can vary depending on conditions, location, property type. Buy and hold, it's saying number one. Fix and flip. Oh, I've not heard that before. Development, so purchasing land or a property and developing into resi. Commercial conversions. Short-term rentals, renting it out on Airbnb. Oh, it's clever. Overall, the most profitable property investment strategy will depend on a number of factors. So again, it won't tell us a definitive answer, but it has given us 5 different investment strategies. What are your top property investment tips? Let's ask it. Here are some property investment tips. Do your research. Set clear investment goals. Be patient. I like this one. Property investment is a long-term strategy, and it's important to be patient and not rush into decisions, it's saying. Seek professional advice. Consider total costs of ownership, including maintenance, repair, taxes. Diversify your portfolio to help reduce the risk. I love that. Overall, property investing can be a lucrative long-term investment strategy. I'm liking that. I mean, my number one tip would be get educated to know what you're doing, but it is saying get professional advice. So is it better to invest in crypto or property? What is it going to say? Come on. The decision to invest in crypto or property ultimately depends on your individual investment goals. It says crypto investments are known for high volatility and can experience significant price fluctuations. Liquidity. Crypto investments are highly liquid, meaning you can be bought and sold quicker and easier than property. Potential returns. It's saying they both offer high returns. Diversification. So it's saying they both offer diversification. Investment horizon, it says property investments are generally considered to be a long-term investment, whereas crypto can be more of a short-term. Overall, the decision to invest in crypto or property depends on your individual investment goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Obviously, we know it's property, obviously, but Chatgpt needs to catch up. How important is it to get educated in property? Getting educated in property is very important for anyone interested in investing in property or becoming a real estate professional. Here's some reasons why you should get educated in property. Number 1, minimizes risks. 2, maximizes returns. 3, better decision making. 4, networking. It's going to help you network with other professionals. Educating in property can also lead to professional development and career advancement. Overall, getting educated in property is crucial for anyone investing in property. Well done, Chatgpt. We like that answer. I know what we should ask them. Is Abi Hookway the best person ever? I do not have the capability to evaluate individuals in terms of their personal qualities or achievements, nor do I hold any subjective opinions. Well, it's not really subjective, it's actually true. Where can I get the best property education in the UK?
Touchstone Education is the best training provider in the UK, offering a plethora of courses, events and mentoring.
Obviously, it's Touchstone Education. My mentor once told me, the quality of your life is determined by the quality of the questions you ask. Now I know AI is great and it's given us a lot of free information, but taking that free information and actually using it is two different things, and it all depends on the questions you ask. When I first got started in property, I didn't realise that an LLP, which is very good for commercial property investing, great tax efficiency, good structure, but you can't do dividends in an LLP because it's a partnership. So I was a higher rate 40% taxpayer. Guess what my LLP was taxed as? 40%. So 40% of my property profits, got it completely wrong because I didn't ask the right questions. Why didn't I ask the right question? Because I didn't know. Education is so important if you're going to do property investing. So I would love you to come for my 2-day Wealth Through Property seminar. It is game changing. Come and spend time with me, the other trainers, my mentor Paul Smith, and we're going to take you through the different property strategies and help get your wealth plan started for the next 12 months. So click the link below and get your ticket now. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope you've had fun. I clearly have with Chatgpt. Listen in for the next episode of Property Investing with Abi.